Enchanté.
Alright, y'all, gotta pull up and get some hydration real quick. Gotta get that pepino. Y'all don't know? This one's it. Here at the Phoenix Mountain Preserves, a little place I like to consider my proving grounds whenever I get a new setup, switch something out on the bike, etc. So with this new build being finished up, I'm going to go ahead and combine a few trails. Some of them are familiar, some of them are not, but I'll go ahead and make a loop out of it. And we're going to go see what the Pivot 429 trail is all about. About halfway through our loop, and I just wanted to touch base with you guys. I'm very impressed overall with this build. Although it might not be the most expensive build there is, to me it's something definitely, it's a huge upgrade from my previous Giant AC. Most notable difference for me is definitely the way it's so plush. So that DW Link suspension is working very, very well. Coupled up with this Fox 36 in the front, and then this Fox DPX2 in the rear, it makes for a super plush setup. I noticed it significantly over rocks. Plus, going from 26 to 29, notice an immediate difference rolling over things. It's just a breeze. There's still a lot more of the trail. I believe for what is the funnest part for me is coming up. I did forget the GoPro. I'll try my best to get some action shots while riding, but it's gonna be a little shaky. Nonetheless, I'm super stoked, guys. This is a very fun ride. Shakedown run on the Pivot 429 trail. And let me tell you guys, obviously it surpassed my expectations going from an older build. I understand that, but it met the criteria on every level so far. There was a few things that did need to get dialed in, such as the brakes, and that's simply because I didn't really dial them in. They engage a little late. I like mine more in the middle, but other than that, they grab good though, so that's a minor adjustment. The other thing was the front fork and the rear shock. I basically just jumped on the bike after putting it together and didn't tune it according to my weight. I don't have a shock pump, it's on the list, but I rode it as is for now and it still worked really well. Outside of that, everything was dialed in, which blew my mind. I was like, that's it. It was really, really smooth sailing. It made for light work of the trail that I had originally done plenty of times. And I just had a blast. I really noticed a big difference in the way all the components worked well together. And I was just really, really excited for what's to come, future trails, different type of terrain, pushing myself a little bit harder now that I have a little more confidence with the build, and we'll see what's next in store.
Thanks for watching, subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and stay tuned for future videos.